You write 1.85 meters in centimeters. We know it's 100 centimeters in a meter, so I'm either going to have to times or divide, and obviously we want a bigger number, so I'm times by 100, so that'll be 185 centimeters. We've got grams and kilograms, and we know there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. It's always 1,000, unless you know otherwise, like in centimeters and meters. And we want the number to be smaller, so we're going to divide by 1,000, and that will give us 2.086. You've got a calculator, you can always use that. In a box of 12 eggs, 5 are cracked. What fraction is cracked? Will be 5 out of 12. And as soon as you say 5 out of 12, you've got your fraction already written down. We've got a ratio here, we've got it in its simplest form. Well, we can divide both sides by 5. So I can divide that side by 5 and divide that side by 5. And that will give me 9 to 3. Or I can say I can do that one as well. I could divide both of those by 3, which give me 3 to 1. So the answer is 3 to 1. So I could actually have divided by 15 to start off with, but I didn't spot that. Divide 32 in the ratio 5 to 3. Well, I always like putting down a total column. So I've got sort of the big version side here to small. So 5 is big, small is 3, and I'm going to put down a total column as well. Always put that in. That'll be 8. And now what I have to do is decide which one 32 is going to go into. It's going to be big, small, or total, and pretty obviously that will go into the total columns. That's why I've got to divide, share out amongst these two shares here. How do I go from 8 to 32? Well, I times that by 4. So I'm going to have to times these by 4 as well. 5 times 4 gives me 20. 3 times 4 gives me 12. And then just check. 20 plus 12 does equal 32. That's my little check to make sure I'm right. Okay, price of watch is $230, and it's reduced by 16%. So I'm going to find 16%. There's other ways of doing it, but I'm going to find 16%. I've got a calculator, so I'm going to find 1% of 230. Let's divide by 100. That is 2.3. And I want to do 16%. So therefore, 16% is that number 2.3 times by 16, and that comes to 36.8. So that's what the reduction is, but I've got to work out the sale price, so I've got to take that away. So therefore, sale price is what it was, 230, take away the reduction, which is 36.8, and that equals 193.2. But it's given us money, so really we want to put them in just 2 decimal places, so 193.20, and that's pounds, got a pound sign there. And that's question 8 done.